There's my beautiful face in the corner. And I'm going to say, all right, I am going to do, my problem is going to be 24 times 3. So what I'm going to have to do, since I can't do 24 times 3 in my head, is I'm going to break down the larger number. And I know that this 2 is 2 tens, so that makes 20. This 4 is 4 ones, so that makes 4. I'm multiplying both of these numbers by 3. And I know that because of the magic 0, I know that 320s, maybe I just know in my head that 320s is 60. Or I could do 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus that magic 0 means it's multiplied by 10. So that's 60. 4 times 3, I know in my head, or I'm looking at my agenda book and I can see that it's 12. I add together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's how you do the breakdown math, and that's how you know that your answer is 72. And then you look into the camera and you go, booyah!
Booyah!
And then you click the stop button,